Hi everyone. Uh, in this presentation, we are going to present about Azure Synapse Analytics and Azure Data Factory. Talking about Azure Synapse Analytics, can you move to the next slide, Jay, please? Yeah, yeah, next, please. Yeah. So, what is Azure Synapse? So, Azure Synapse is an enterprise analytics service that accelerates time to insight across data warehouses and big data systems. So, it's one of the technology for which where we can ingest data. Also, we can perform a set of algorithms, like we can also have enterprise data warehousing, SparkNet technologies for big data. Also, there is Data Explorer as well for log and time series analytics. Also, we can create pipelines there for data integration, where we can perform extraction, transform, and load, and deep integration with other Azure services such as Power BI, Cosmos DB, and Azure ML. Even we can ingest our data into other stack as well, like Amazon S3 bucket and a lot of buckets. So yeah, to the next slide. Yeah, the next one. Yeah, next. Yeah, so this is about architecture of Azure Synapse Analytics, where we are performing, where we can see that it consists of data integration, management, monitoring, and security. So now we are gonna perform the demo of how we can upload like a data into Azure Data Factory. We are gonna see that about data ingestion methods into Azure Data Factory. Over to you, Jay. Can you move to the Azure demo?
Sure. Hi, Anjay. So let's move on to the Azure demo. So yeah, I have already set up the source and the target. So I'll show you how we are going to implement the data factory pipeline. So first of all, let's look at the data source. So this is the data source I have uploaded in this Azure Data Factory. You can see the details. It contains the actress name, who has worked in Bond films, and the detail of the movie, and the director and the actor name as well. And this will be our source, and the target will be our database table. So let's create a database table for this particular CSV file. So this is the create statement. I have already written it. I have tried and I have test run this. So I'll just show you how we are going to do it. So we have created a database, but there will be no data, as you can see. So now in data factory, we have to prepare a pipeline. So right now, this is the folder for pipeline, and then now we have to import the two data source. Uh, first will be uh, first will be from uh, Azure Blob Storage. CS, it is a delimited file, and let's name it onactress.csv. The links services input blob. As you can see in link service, I have already added my integration runtime, my key, my storage name, and the password. When we test this connection, it is successful, so we don't have to worry about it. So now I have to provide the file path so we can browse this. It is in dataset, and as we just saw, it is with phone actress name. The import schema is from the connection as well. So when you click OK, so we have imported our source successfully, as you can see here. And then now we have to do the same for the target. As we know, the target is uh, Microsoft SQL Server. So over here in the new data set, we have to select SQL Server, MySQL. And if the name of the table will be same. Um, And I have kept Azure MySQL, so just I know it is not a CSV file, just a database file. And link services, let's create, yeah, Azure SQL. I have selected the wrong database type, so there was no link for it. So now you can see the link, which is output.sql. Same, I have added my authentication SQL Server, the username and password for it. When you test the connection, it is successful, so it's correct. So now we just have to select the table which we just created with the create statement, which is bond after this. And okay, so now the both source and the target has been imported in our data factory. So let's make one transformation. So let's go create and copy data. Let's name it CSV to database. So for this, our source will be a CSV file, and our target sync will be a database. Yeah. So when you import the file, just click on this box. So the first row will be header. We are just specifying to the data factory. So when you map it, so you can see which column will get mapped to which. So in CSV file, the name bond girl will be matched to database bond girl name. So now let's validate this. If it's a, yeah, there is no error. So we can publish this, and then we will test run this. And then we will see the data has been imported to see in the database. Trigger now. So it's in progress. We just have to wait few more seconds. It will be, we can see the data which is there in our CSV file in our SQL database. Yeah, so you can see the status has changed to succeed. When you go here, this is the select statement. When we run, yeah, you can see the data has already been uploaded to database. And this is the same database that we just saw. Yeah, so back to the uh,
Yeah.
presentation.
So yeah, yeah, it was one of the method that we have used from copy like CSV to data. There are also a lot of other methods as well. Like we can also import the data using SSIS, and also we can load the data using different files. So like also we can upload Excel and other formats as well. So we just show you that one of the example using CSV file. So yeah, that's from all for the one topic. Thank you.